Ladies and gents, welcome, welcome. We are outside of Tottenham Court Road and we are about to go and see the Christmas lights of London. It's 16th of November, Wednesday, 6:30, so it's fairly busy. Let me open my umbrella. It's very, very cold today, very windy. Not nice weather. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just being proactive, but I'm hating it already tonight. My goal is to walk from here to Bond Street station and show you those beautiful blue lights. The weather is just unfortunate. Let's go. So this is this year's Christmas tree right here outside of the Tottenham Court Road station. Let me look back for those that haven't been in this area for a while. It starts to look like Tokyo here, which is a good thing. I like that. I like that. Pretty simple, red and gold or red and yellow. Looks nice. The good thing about raining is nice reflections on the floor. Oh boy, this is the windy area here, I see. It's impossible to cross. That's my umbrella currently, guys. This is my umbrella as we speak. And I'm not the only one. Look at everybody else. Look at everybody else struggling. Jeez, what a day to film. My umbrella is still misbehaving. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I have to be super careful while filming, since I witnessed a girl having her phone snatched a few days ago on Regent Street. I know I talk about it a lot, but I haven't been to this area, like central London, Christmas lights since. It's a little bit nerve-wracking. So I'll have to be careful. And you guys as well, if you come to London, if you go on Regent Street and if you take pictures of the lights, please be careful. Young guys come from behind on electric scooters and pinch your phone out of your hand in a split second. It's a disaster. You have to close your bank. You know, it's horrible. Close your bank, you know what I mean. You have to sort out all your stuff, all your important stuff as soon as possible, and it's not nice, it's stressful. So these are the lights here in Oxford Circus this year. Oh, it looks like the rain is slowing down. That would be nice, since I don't really want to walk around with umbrella. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I need to close my umbrella now and try to do it with one hand while I'm holding my camera. Let me get out of the way for a bit. We are on Soho Street. Sorry, I'm just closing it right now. Perfect, all done. Fingers crossed it's not gonna start raining again. It's nice not to hold an extra thing. How is everybody doing today? What are you up to, boys and girls? I've just finished filming the beautiful ice ring in Battersea Power Station. Absolutely beautiful pink colors. I highly recommend you go and check it out on my channel. Just put in YouTube Girl in Paradise, Battersea Power Station ice ring, and these videos will come up. Absolutely stunning. So right now it's apparently 7 p.m. 18 minutes, so it's getting late.
Nick yourself one of these, they're great.
So did I had a cabin. Let me try something. Let me try and zoom out. Oh dear. That's not a good look. That means I need to clean my lens. Give me 1 sec. So let me try again to zoom out to see what it looks like. And let's turn around. So I see Next and Costa Cafe and Gap. That's interesting. Lipsy. Paper Chase. Okay, so it's a super. It's some kind of mall there. Interesting, I never knew. As you can see, it is raining. So if the image is not clear, that's the reason. The drops are falling on the lens and you might see stuff smudged up. What is this?
But now,
There is a massive Pikachu in the window. Sorry. That's Monopoly and Harry Potter. I think that's all the collectibles, isn't it? Oh boy, what's this? There was a lady in the window picture. Now this one is home alone with her teddy. Oh, look at all the leaves. Every time after rain, there won't be much left. My God, it's really crazy.
Everything else is.
Apparently I share Kira's birthday. God. I thought it's recent. It's been recent. No, it was when I was little.
I like the yellow, red lights. There was blue just now as well. Let me see. No, has to be one of that.
Guys, man, shouldn't have been active, man.
Yes.
What the fuck?
Oh no, rain is picking up. And it's dripping in my Anker power bank. That's never a good thing, since I'm charging as we speak.
I like you.
Let me clean the lens again, boys and girls. I have to do it from time to time, so you have the best experience. Otherwise it's gonna be smudgy forever.
Turn round.
We are outside of Mango store.
Yeah, let me at least try and answer a question.
I tried to.
Last time I was here was when they turned on the lights here. Was it the